3, 2, 1.
Anak, huwag mo kakalimutan mga kayo ko sa'yo ha.
Oo, inay, hindi ko yun makakalimutan at lalong hindi ko rin kayo makakalimutan ni Bunso.
Mahal na mahal ka namin at lagi mong tatandaan na nandito lang kami parati na laging sumusuporta sa'yo.
Salamat, inay, at mahal na mahal ko rin po kayo.
Diba anak, kailangan mo nang sumakal. O ito, bag mo.
Salamat po, inay. Hindi na po, inay.
Seatbelt sign has been switched off for your safety. We require you to keep your seatbelt loosely fastened whenever you are seated. This
Wait lang.
Hello?
Hello, inay. Ay, nakarating na po ako sa Amerika. At ngayon, kailangan ko nang magparehistro.
Sige anak.
Tawag lang po ako para ipaalam na nandito na ako sa Amerika. Kailangan ko na kung ibaba ang aking telepono.
Sige anak.
Paalam na po, inay. Mag-ingat kayo ni Bunso dyan.
Sige anak, paalam na. Mag-ingat ka dyan. Huwag kang magpapalipas ng gutom dyan ha.
There's the, the sleeveless.
Opo ma.
Di ba, ako, ginagawa natin.
Na.
Jay!
So, what's the motto, Miss
Espares, ma'am. Princess Diane A. Espares.
Espares? So, what's the motto, Miss Espares?
Ma'am, I would like to register as a Filipino migrant.
Filipino migrant? So, what's your purpose?
I'm going to work in University of Michigan, ma'am, as a special education teacher.
These are the documents you need.
Okay, sir. Ang sa school, old church. Why are there so many documents, ma'am?
You'll need all of these documents to be able to work here.
But these are the only documents I have, ma'am.
But you won't able to work here if your documents are not complete.
What do I need to do, ma'am?
You need to find a way to complete the necessary documents so you can work here.
Thank you, ma'am.
Nakita ko na nahihirapan ka sa pagpaparehistro.
Oo nga, hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko.
Huwag kang mag-alala. Tulungan kita.
Talaga? Maraming salamat. Hello? Pwede ba tayo magkita ngayon? Tulungan kita na makompleto ang mga dokumento mo. Ngayon na? Oo, ngayon na. Text ko na lang ang location kung saan tayo magkikita. Sige, maghahanda na ako.
Hindi mo kayo. Consider her.
Oh, it's her, alright? So, these are the documents that you need to finally register as a Filipino migrant. Yes. So, you can go now. You don't have to worry anymore because you can now work here and give your family a happy life.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Come in. Mrs. Torres, you're here again.
I already have the old documents, ma'am.
Lara, sir. Ako ang gisent niya, sir.
Oh, it's already complete. Where did you get it? Someone help me to complete all documents, ma'am.
Good morning, Mom. Here's Paris, right?
Yes, I am.
We're here to inform you that your documents are fake.
What? Locum is fake.
And you are under arrest for faking all your documents.